island. I'm in Iceland, and this is the only museum in the world that I've known that have an array of cuckoo birds. We are gonna have some meal over here on cuckoo birds. Have you tried cuckoo birds over here? Real stuff. Join me in. Have you seen sperm whales? Do you know why they call them sperm whales? Now I'm going to show to you. This is the complete sperm whale. Look at the size. It's almost like flesh. Look at the size. This is no kidding. It's as big as a human being. Have you seen Wizard, this cute little animal? It's quite cute, isn't it? Do you know how these penis look like? This is the cuckoo bird. Can you see the cuckoo bird of this wizard? So small. And actually it looks like a needle. It's the cuckoo bird. This is that of otter, you know. You see this? The cuckoo bird. Not too bad. It's about the size of the length of my finger. Cuckoo bird. For most of you who are having dogs at home, most of you have dogs at home, right? Do you know how your dog's cuckoo bird look like? I'll show it to you. This is the shape of your cuckoo bird. Your dog. The shape of your dog's cuckoo bird, you know. See? You haven't seen it before, right? Yes, I'm gonna show it. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Many of us have seen this sun bear, huge size. But how big do you think the cuckoo bird look like? Ta-da! Only this size. Small little cuckoo bird. Shorter than my finger. That's how nature is. God's creation. Whose cuckoo bird do you think this tree looks like? Guess. No kidding. Now, I'm going to show you something very special. Who do you think this belongs to? What animal? You haven't seen the real stuff. This belongs to do you know that? Do you know? Now this is the marble. So this is the real stuff. Take a look. Marble. And this is from a 40-year-old man. See? Real stuff. Do you know not all cuckoo bird is straight? There are some cuckoo bird that is made to be curved. Do you know that? Funny cuckoo bird. These are real stuff, you know. And this is the super long and big cuckoo bird.